Hey, I'm going to showcase how HR tech platform HiBob can utilize Yosanie's AI LinkedIn marketing assistant to maintain and manage their LinkedIn company page, especially the content creation and scheduling. This is an example use case to showcase the user experience improvements we've made to Yosanie's AI LinkedIn marketing assistant. Okay, let's now go ahead. So they would start a new campaign, and let's just call this hi Bob. Oops, hi Bob. Feb campaign. Description, check Yosanie. This is optional. And then they'd enter their ideal customer profile here. So that would be HR leaders. They could be even more specific, target the company size or location if they wish to. They'll pick a date or day for when these posts are going to be scheduled for. They'll pick a time. Actually, I'm going to go for Tuesdays instead. And then they will enter their call to action, which would normally be their web page. And now they'll be on the value proposition canvas and they'll click the use AI button. So now what our AI agent will do is essentially look through their website details and the public content that's available about HiBob, and it will essentially map it to the ideal customer profile target audience they just entered before. So what it'll do is it'll find out the current problems of HR leaders, the future state, the ideal state that they want to be in, the root causes that are holding them back, and then using the content from HiBob's website, it'll also pick out particular ways in which Bob solves the pain points of HR leaders and takes them from their current problem state to their ideal future state. And it'll map out all of these skeleton details on this value proposition canvas so that the user can see it, interact with it, and change things if they want to. And I will show you this later on, but it'll use these as the basis to form the LinkedIn posts. So give it a couple of minutes to do its work. We'll look to reduce the time it takes to do this job in future iterations. Cool. So as you can see, it's done its work. It's detailed the current state problems of HR leaders. So HR teams being burdened with time-consuming manual processes and what their ideal future state would be. So an automated, efficient HR processes, for instance, and it'll also detail the root causes that are causing these problems, like a lack of an integrated solution. And then it'll also showcase how Bob particularly solves this pain point. So yeah. And there's a whole bunch of these value props that it'll showcase, and you can go and edit it if you'd like. And now you'd simply just have to click run campaign and a post will get generated. So remember, we clicked Tuesday. So a post has been generated for Tuesday this week. And this is the content that you see. You can edit it if you'd like. And you can fetch images that correspond to the content. If you don't like any of these images, you can retry. You get up to 5 retries on the basic tier. So if I'm okay with this, I just hit approve. and then it'll get posted out onto LinkedIn. I'll show you how the integration to LinkedIn works. But for now, if you don't like it, you just have to press reject, and you just get a generate a new post option. And if you click that, you get a replacement post. So that is a new post that's been generated for you instantly. And here you can click fetch images. And let's say, yeah, I'm okay with this. And I just hit approve if I'm all right with that. Now, in order for it to get scheduled out on LinkedIn, you'd simply go to your profiles and you'll go to integrations and you'll click connect to LinkedIn. This is the official LinkedIn connection that we've got with a partnership with them. And you just link up your company page account. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds, and you'll be able to schedule posts via Yosanie straight to your LinkedIn company page. So yeah, that's essentially it. And you get up to 25 posts per month on the basic tier, and the advanced tiers unlock sophisticated features. We're working on things like news posts, where we'll be able to find relevant news for your sector area and write posts about it whilst tying in your sales messaging, and things like custom integrations with CRM, so that we get to pick up on the problem points that your customers are mentioning via emails and phone calls, so that your posts are directly addressing those problem pain points. And those kind of sophisticated features are going to be included as part of the higher tiers. And they also come with a greater volume of posts. So yeah, that's basically the gist of it. And yeah, I just wanted to showcase this as part of my weekly update. I hope you're well, and yeah, I'll see you soon.